What's up, family? It's your boy Ty, and today I'm here to review another microphone from Fifine, and this is the Fifine Profile 3. Fifine has a lot of dope microphones, and this one should definitely hold up. I've seen a few reviews out there, but I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion of this microphone. I would like to say what you're listening to is another microphone from Fifine, and this is the Fifine Tank 3. So this is the Profile 3 and this is the Tank 3. And you guys should be able to hear the difference in the sounds in this video. That's why I'm using this microphone, because these are like a brother and sister. So you guys are going to be able to see the difference. The main difference is this is a dynamic microphone and the Profile 3 is a condenser microphone. All right. So, we will be able to see how these sound. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about some of the features. It says clear and natural sound. I'm really itching to hear how that sounds. And I would like to point out that this microphone, the Tank 3, is able to be hooked up with XLR or USB. This microphone is strictly USB. So this is a USB microphone, so USB-C connector. All right. And a few more features on the back of this thing. It says you can monitor mix control. So you will be able to control the volume of your game and your chat and your microphone volumes with that mix control. A low cut / flat switch. I'm really itching to see what that sounds like. And then another feature is that it's sturdy. It's made out of metal, just like its brother over here. And natural sound, as I said, volume adjustment, quick mute, and real-time monitoring. So, without further ado, let's check and see what's in the box. Pop the top. Once we pop the top, as always, the first thing you see is the user manual. But you guys can just check me out as always, and I'll go through what this microphone can do and all the switches and things on it. So right out the box, we have the microphone. And it's pretty neat that the microphone comes with this stand. But you guys know me, I have a whole lot of different boom arms, so I will be using a boom arm. But it is nice that it comes with a stand, so you can just prop it up if you want to and go at it. And I would say that the build quality is A1. I like the grill. I like the fact that it's metal, heavy, durable. And one other thing that was in the box is the USB cord. So you can hook this thing up to your computer, to your gaming system, whatever you have. And now I'm ready to hear what this bad boy sounds like. Before we switch over, I would like to draw your attention to how the Tank 3 sounds right now. This is what the audio sounds like coming from the Fifine Tank 3. And I would even do the plosive test. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. And again, pay attention. This is how the audio sounds coming from the Tank 3. Now let's switch over to the Profile 3 and see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is what the audio sounds like coming from the Fifine Profile 3. And right now, I do have a little person in the background making noise. So hopefully you guys can see if it really holds up with canceling some of that background noise out. In the front, you have your mix monitor. So again, you can see what it sounds like when you cut your microphone up and you can hear yourself, or you can cut whatever you're watching, or if you're in the chat, something like that, you can cut the chat up. On the back, it's a simple cut your microphone volume up and cut it down knob, and then you have your headphone monitoring. Right now, I have it on headphone monitoring, so you can really hear what it sounds like. What I really like is this switch at the bottom. You guys are hearing me right now with the low cut switch cut off. When I cut it on, this is what it sounds like. It sounds like you get a little boost of power. I love how it sounds like this. And we can do the plosive test. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. And I can even come off a little bit. Come down. I can come off the microphone a little bit and it still sounds pretty decent. And you also, if I didn't talk about it, you have a mute button in the front too. But this is what this microphone sounds like. So run this back, compare it, but I think this is a high quality sound. Now let me give you my final thoughts. So the Fifine Profile 3 to me is a solid microphone. It's a solid condenser microphone. So I would say that it's a lot more clear than its brother, the Tank 3. It all depends on what type of sound you want to go for. Do you like the condenser sound? Do you like the dynamic sound of this? You guys know me, I prefer XLR microphones, but I do like the way this sounds. And if you want to just be able to hook your microphone up to your computer, your phone without the XLR interface, because that is what you need when you use something like the Tank 3 on XLR mode, you're going to need that interface. I think this microphone sounds awesome. And that low cut switch really brings it out. So would I recommend it? Yes. Yes, I really would recommend this microphone. If you want to do things like voiceovers, if you want to even use it for music, singing, or something like that, I think this microphone is definitely something to look into, especially for the price. So yeah, I think Fifine really made up for the last review with this one, and this is a keeper, and I would highly recommend it. So like always, I appreciate you guys checking me out on this review. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought sounded better. Did the Fifine Profile 3 sound better to you, or did the Tank 3 sound better to you? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for checking me out. Peace.